Welcome back to my channel Physics Glow. In the last class, I explained formation of stationary waves in the statue string and laws of transverse states in the statue string. Now I am going to explain the topic harmonics in the statue string. We can say as the expressions for first harmonic, second harmonic and third harmonic. Okay, dear students, focus here and subscribe my channel and watch videos regularly. Try to fix in your mind the formulae which are very useful for examinations, MSET, JEE Main and NEET also. Okay, so see here, let us consider a string. This is a string here fixed between two supports here. When the string is excited, or we can say when the string is plucked, then it can vibrate. It can vibrate. For example, like guitar and veena. They are examples, best examples. When the string is plucked, then it can vibrate. It can vibrate in different modes, with different frequencies. When the string is excited, it vibrates with in different modes of different frequencies. These modes are called here harmonics here. These modes are called here harmonics. So here now, dear students, here in the first case, here this is, we can say, one loop. When the string vibrates with one loop here, one loop, then the length, here we have nodes here, node, antinode here. Here the string vibrates with two loops. Here the string is vibrating with three loops. In this case, the distance between two successive nodes is always well known as L equal to lambda by 2. L equal to lambda by 2. In this case, the distance between, see here, this is L lambda by 2 and lambda by 2. Totally 2 lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. 2 lambda by 2. In this case, lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Totally 3 lambda by 2. L equal to here lambda by 2, 2 lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2. If we take 4 loops, we can get L equal to 4 lambda by 2. If we take 5 loops, L equal to 5 lambda by 2. It can continue like that. Depending upon different modes here. So here, now we want expressions for harmonics here. First harmonic, second harmonic and third harmonic. Here figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Here different modes are there here. First we can take figure 1 here. Okay, figure 1 here. See here, distance here from figure 1. From figure 1, L equal to, here we have lambda by 2. Lambda equal, we can write here 2L. And we know the expression for transverse waves in a string, that is V equal to under root of T by mu. T is the tension in the string. Mu is the linear mass density of the string. V is the speed of the transverse wave here. So we can root of T by mu. And also we know the equation for speed of the wave in the air also. That is V equal what here? Mu lambda. Here nu is called frequency. Some books they are taking small n also. N also well known as frequency. And some books are taking a small f also. Small f also frequency. I am taking a symbol nu. Yeah, this is known as nu. Nu is called your frequency. This is called mu. Mu is the linear mass. This is called here nu. Nu is the frequency. Okay. Nu is here frequency here. So here V equal nu lambda. And lambda equal what here? 2L here. So we can write here, therefore V equal, we can write in nu into 2L. Nu into 2L because lambda equal 2L. So from these two equations here, this one, V equal root of T by mu. V equal nu into 2L here. This is like first equation, second equation. From 1 and 2 here. From 1 and 2, we can write as nu into 2L equal to under root of T by mu. Nu equal to, we can write as 1 by 2L root of T by mu. This is well known equation, the important equation in my student. This is, you take number, this is 3. This is known as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. So here we take here nu1. We take nu1. Nu1 is called here fundamental frequency or first harmonic. When the string is vibrating with one loop here. With one loop here. Nu1 is called fundamental frequency or first harmonic here. So here also take here very easy understanding that you take here 1. This is take 2. This is 3 because 1 loop, 2 loops, 3 like that only. So you also take here 1. Very easy. Okay, lambda 1. And this is also take here nu1. Okay. Nu1. Right, that's all. Finish. Next to from figure 2 now. From figure 2. Same procedure. This figure 1, figure 2. Here L equal what here? 2 lambda 2 by 2. Same here again. V equal what? Root T by mu. And V equal to nu to lambda 2. Nu to lambda 2. So we can write here nu 2 into lambda 2 is what here? We can write here this is 2L equal to 2 lambda 2. Lambda 2 equal what here? 2L by 2. We can write here 2L by 2. We can write as a, this is 2V equal to nu 2 into 2L. So, and we can write here, okay, from this one we take, direct we take here, this one here. This you take here, number this is same as 4, this is 5. From 4 and 5, V, this V. So we can write here as nu 2 into 2L by 2 equal to under root of T by mu. We take that side here. Nu 2 equal what we can write as 2 by 2L under root of T by mu. This is equation number 3, 4, that is 4, 5, this is 6, you take 6 number. Numbers are your interest, you like. So, here nu 2 equal 2 by 2L root of T by mu. Nu1 equal to 1 by 2L under root of T by mu. Nu 2 equal 2 by 2L under root of T by mu. 1 loop, 2 loops. Here, see, same everything, but except here 1. Here 2, 1, 1, 2, 2 here. So 1 is nothing but here first harmonic or fundamental frequency, we can say. Here 2 shows here second harmonic. The expression for second harmonic or we can say first overtone also. The students, please focus here and try to subscribe my channel and focus here only. Okay. The nu is called fundamental frequency. So nu1 is called fundamental frequency. Nu 2 is called second harmonic or first overtone. Similarly now we can take this also, figure 3. Come on, say. You can guess what we get here from figure 3. 3 loops, that is nu 3. Nu 3 equal to 3 by 2L root of T by mu. Nu 4 equal to 4 by 2L root of T by mu. Depending upon number of loops, we can get expressions for that. But nu1 is called first harmonic or fundamental frequency. Nu 2 is called second harmonic or first overtone. Nu 3 is called third harmonic or second overtone. Now see here. From now, dear students, here. Now we want figure 3 also. From figure 3 also we can get one more equation here. From figure 3 we can get last, that is nu 3. We can get a nu 3 equation here. So from figure 3, see here. Here we know L equal what here? 3 lambda 3 by 2. 2L equal to 3 lambda 3. Lambda 3 equal to 2L by 3. And we know formula under root of T by mu. And we equal what here? Mu 3 lambda 3. 3 loops here. So we equal what here? Mu 3 lambda 3 nothing but 2L by 3. Again this is now you take 7th one, this is 8th one. From equations 7 and 8, dear students here, then we can add here mu 3 into 2L by 3 equal to under root of 3 by mu. Mu 3 equal, take that side here, this is, it becomes as 3 by 2L root of T by mu. So this is equation number, you take 9 equation. Okay, this is the 9th equation, dear students here. So here mu 3 equal to, we got 3 by 2. This is mu 3 is called here third harmonic or second photon. Third harmonic or second photon. So now we got here mu 1, mu 2, mu 3. Okay, mu 1 equal to 1 by 2L under root of T by mu. Mu 2 equal to 2 by 2L root of T by mu. Mu 3 equal to 3 by 2L under root of T by mu. Mu 1 is called fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Mu 2 is called second harmonic or first overtone. Mu 3 is called third harmonic or second overtone. If this, suppose if the string vibrates with P loops, then we get it what? What do you write? Come and tell me. Mu P equal to P by 2L under root of T by mu, where P is the number of loops. So mu P equal to P by 2L under root of T by mu. Okay, dear students, focus on studies, don't waste time, and try to good rank in MSET, JMN also, NEET also. Prepare well, try to fix the formula in your mind, then it will become very easy to score good marks in the examination also. Okay, now ready for next video, and subscribe my channel, Peace Globe.